One of my regular client has come from England today to get some more saffron majoon. He will tell you about his experience with saffron majoon.
Hi guys, this place is amazing. I mean, I don't know how to say this, but honestly, saffron as a whole, I tried it. I eat saffron most of the time, especially with my diabetic. I'm diabetic, you know. And what they done, they produce a product which is with their own recipe. But saffron with their own recipe is made an amazing product. It actually great. It helps me physically, mentally, you name it. It has everything in it. So you just cannot go wrong with it. The reason I come back to this place here, it's unbelievable. You actually try the products they make themselves, and then you get the result from it. So because I have so many issues like cholesterol, diabetic, blood sugar, you name it, age. You can see my age how old I am, and you cannot get natural products like this. This is actual organic. Otherwise, if I want it, I can go to England, where I live from England, London especially. All I get is doctor prescriptions. The doctor prescriptions, what I'm getting, anesthetics and cholesterol level, you name it, all gimmicks. But this product, organic, you can't go wrong with it. It's just amazing, especially with this guy here. Cannot believe it. It's just you just get the product and it's honestly just go for it, mate. You love it.